Hello everyone. Today I cook dal. So I add olive oil first. And then I put 1 onion big. And then I add garlic. The 1 onion big, this one I cut small and mix well. With little brown. I add tomato, 1 tomato. Add the spices, garam masala, black pepper, turmeric, and curry powder, 1 teaspoon of this one. And then I add dal. This one I cooked already before and it's boiled. Next well. And then I add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 Maggi. And then add 2 potatoes. And then I add okra. And then cover. I don't have kasbar. And then cover, cook 15 minutes. Tomato. 1 teaspoon of tomato. And mix well. Now I'm done cooking. So transfer here. Ready to serve now. So transfer in the bowl. I add coriander leaf. Thank you for watching, everyone.